Hey everybody, it's author V Marie, and I am going to broadcast for a few minutes. I put my title on as 99 Percenters because I read this book, or I'm reading this book called Success Principles. And Success Principles is a book full of little inspirational nuggets on how to be successful. And one of the chapters in there is going to talk about giving 99% and what the difference between 99% is and 100. The real big difference between 99% and 100 is 99% you didn't do it. 100 you did it. You took care of it, you handled it. You can say you gave it everything. When you give it 99%, you are literally not giving everything that you can give to a situation or to something to make it happen. So 99% is not enough. So how do you know if you're giving 100 or 99%? Jack Canfield says easily you can, one, look at the results around you, look at what you are participating in or part of, and see whether or not you've made things happen. You can also ask the people around you. If you're in a relationship or if you're at a job and you're an employee, you can go to the person who you report to. If you're married, you can go to your significant other and ask them, did I give you 100% today, or did I give you 100% this week? And let them tell you. And when they tell you, you have to be open to hearing whether or not they say, yes, you gave me everything, or no, you didn't. And when they say, no, you didn't give them 100%, you have to be open to the reasons why. And the reasons why could be, you weren't attentive enough, or you were so busy doing this, or you canceled our plans and you didn't follow back up with our plans, or you didn't reschedule, or if it comes to the job situation, you didn't do your part as far as the team is concerned. You were late on projects, or just late coming to work, not giving it all of your time and attention. So giving 99%, regardless of how close it is to 100, you're not giving everything you can to a situation. So when I say 99 percenters, those are the people who say, oh yeah, I might, or I almost did it, or I was about to do it, or, give me a little bit more time and then I'll do it. Those are the 99 percenters. So if you want to give 100%, you know when you're giving 100%. If you don't know if you're giving 100, just ask the people around you and they will definitely tell you. But you have to be open to hearing what you could do to improve to be 100%. If you're not open to hearing it, don't ask them, because they will tell you and offend you and hurt your feelings and all that stuff. But if you're open to it and you want to get to a better place in your relationships, on your job, or even in your own business, go to your customers if you're in business for yourself and ask them, are you giving them 100% as far as the product and service that you're offering? So there's always ways to improve, but never accept almost, or just about to, or I'm finna, or whatever you want to say. Go for 100 and say that you did the best you could do, or you gave everything you could give for that particular situation, in any situation. So always consider or look at whether or not you're giving 100% or not. And then you'll know at the end of the day, regardless of what happens after you give 100%, you can at least say you did your part. So I'm getting ready to step out of the car because I have some business to take care of. I don't know if any of you are from up north, but when my parents used to go off and take care of something they didn't want us to know about, they would say, well, we're going to see a man about a dog. And when they said that, that meant it's adult business. Don't ask no more questions. So that's what I'm about to do. I'm about to go see a man about a dog. So thank you for listening. Holler at you. Leave me some comments. And if you have any other questions, you can always inbox me. But you have to be following me to inbox me. Take care. Talk to you later.